do that. Catherine, where are you going? Yo, to call the police.
A pink and blue.
And put it in the fridge for tomorrow because I'm definitely eating this. Sunday, January 9th, guys, and I'm still wearing my bun. This hairstyle kind of lasts me a bit better than what I would normally be lying around in the house looking like. Yeah, Mike is at his friend's house right now, just hanging out. It was his birthday. Cassidy's at my mom's house. I'm watching Desperate Housewives as usual, and Callie's here. So yeah, I'm gonna cook a quick bust up. This meal takes like maybe like a half an hour to make. It so quick. Have my linguine here. I'm gonna add some spinach in the sauce. I love the extra touch. Got some Parmesan cheese, table cream. I prefer using half and half. But yeah, I seasoned this chicken from like a couple of days ago, so it's ready to cook now.
Judgments about people. You see, I'm having this birdhouse for me. I was thinking on that big tree.
Yes.
Oh, thanks. Let's go on over there. So, do me a favor. But just to clarify, you don't have to keep checking with Tom. I mean, excuse me?
Just as you like clown, I do this and I'm doing it.
You know, I'll get sick. What's the matter?
Wasn't good enough for me. I was like you. I wanted fun, excitement. Now I'm cleaning rooms. Everything. Don't you want to be worth it again?
I created lifelong memories.
Listen to the homicidal monkey.
Said that?
Well, not in those words.
Really fall apart. If I let her.
That is the definition of a bad children's book. Sister shot me. Call the police.
I told you she was gonna snap. It's always the pretty ones.
It was an accident. Bob, I want you to be my lawyer. No, I called him.
Yeah, this.
What were you doing sneaking around my house? I was on neighborhood watch. You didn't have an assigned shift. Tom Scotto had to study. He asked me to film. Yo, to call the police.
Alright guys, pasta is done. It's looking like this.
Ow!
See the chicken buried in here, but it's nice and creamy. The kids, I just came in from Winners. I picked up some stuff for everyone. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Mike and Cassidy here are eating McDonald's. So anyways, the food that I made yesterday, that's what I had for like my lunch today, so I'm so full. But I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up at Winners today. Yeah, I got you some stuff.
For me?
Yeah.
This one for me?
Yeah.
So what's the next one?
I'll show you.
Did you get me a jersey?
Huh?
Did you get me a
No,
jersey?
they didn't have jerseys. So I got Micah these headphones for his virtual school. Alright, so I found these sneakers for Cassidy. New Balance, which I thought were so cute. I got Cassidy some underwear, because she's a big girl now. I got Cassidy this Converse shirt here. And these Nike socks. I got Palmar these, I don't know, it's like a insulated two-piece body glove. I know, I got you. Or does she, whatever.
Or does she?
Looks good. Does it fit you?
Yes.
Let me see. Wow, it looks so cute. Girl. I picked up these. I got these. Thanks, Carly. If you hear something in the back, it's my vacuum cleaner. So I also got this set of bra here. I didn't try it on and I feel like my breast size really changed or fluctuated. So I want to try it on to see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, they take returns. I also found this two-piece set here. I want to call it like a lounge set, right? But yeah, it's kind of like loungewear. So it comes with this bra here, this bra top. I got another one that was similar to it. The top looks like this, spaghetti strap cami. So I got a couple sets, and this one was $24.99. Alright, I also got some active wear. So I got these two sports bras here. and this was on sale on clearance for $16, so I got the two. And I also got these two workout shorts here. Oh, you woke up? I just finished a HIIT exercise, which I did not plan on doing. Kama really just motivated me to do my workout video. I'm happy I did it because honestly, I just kicked my butt. I'm just happy I got it out the way. I'll probably eat some leftovers in the fridge. Are you gonna make that steak, Kama? Maybe, right? It doesn't look good, to be honest. Asleep. Micah's knocked out on the couch right now, but it's way too early. I need to fix him. It's way too early for him to be sleeping because his bedtime is like an hour from now. He's gonna wake up again to be up in the night, and he has class at 8:10. But anyway.
You are misrepresenting what I said.
Hey guys, it's the next day. It's what, Tuesday, Micah?
No.
I'm just making some stew beef. I didn't have all the ingredients I needed. The only thing I had was onions, garlic, and carrots. So I'm gonna put some carrots in here, not in here, but in here. For stewing down. I'm gonna throw in the carrots. The onions are already in. Look, when it gets more tender. Micah was supposed to have school, but I didn't let him sign on today. He was supposed to be in virtual school. I just gave him his own work to do. He did a little spelling test. And what else did you do, Micah? He did his little spelling test. He got 21 out of 25. Anyways, he did his little grade 1 homework book. He did some pages in there. And then we're gonna read later. I just find that the work that I give him at home is more challenging than what he's doing on virtual school. So I let Cassie do these. So she recognizes all of her letters and some of the sounds that they make. So, and she has her numbers up to a certain amount, but I don't think she's all the way to 100 yet. Cassie, you okay? You tired? Tired? Yeah, Cassie's tired, but I'm gonna wash her hair. And I don't know what to do to it. I'm thinking to put it in some big plaits and put some beads at the end because it lasts longer. Can you show me your shampoo?
A pink and purple.
Wow, you're so cute.
You wanna chill with the big boy?
Whoa. You're shedding, girl.
I'm rubbing in.
Move back a little. Step back. This way. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
A goodie.
You want to chill?
Yes.
Cassie, you're only getting one shampoo, okay? Good. You frozen?
Very, very frozen.
Your ears are wet.
It's so wet.
I put water in your ear, sorry. You frozen? One thing about Cassidy is that you don't argue with me when it's time to wash and comb your hair, right? You're a good girl. Yeah. So while her hair is like pretty much damp, I'm gonna use some of this whipped hair butter from Tiny Beauty Cosmetics. This really helps like lock in the moisture in her hair. So I'm gonna put that in now before it dries.
Mommy, wanna go do my hair downstairs?
Yeah, we're gonna go downstairs.
And we watch my show in the basement?
Yes. Okay, let's put some hair butter in your hair. Lock it in. Right?
Hi.
Get some oils in your hair. And then we're gonna put the gross oil in your scalp. Did you put your finger down your throat?
No.
Don't do that, okay? It's dangerous.
Hey y'all. Watch out. Tell me. How long have you been good? Okay, then you just take a picture of the... Hey!
So, change of plans. So Kelly brought home some food. So, from where? Patty Time? From Patty Time. So we got goat and oxtail. But my food is still on the stove cooking. I mean, honestly, I obviously prefer this. So I'm definitely going to obviously maybe eat a little bit of my food later. And put it in the fridge for tomorrow because I'm definitely eating this. Yeah.
It doesn't work that way.
Hi, let me see your hair, girl. You look so cute. Is that your smile?
Look,
Okay, no fighting, guys.
You
No
did
fighting.
this, your hair.
my 20s.
Yeah, I did.
Drag that out.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
Okay, turn around, spin around so I can see the back.
The man
Wow, girl. You look so good.
is
You did a good job today, okay?
right to you.
So proud of you. Turn back around.
Thanks,
Turn back around, girl.
Right.
This was you.
I'm pretty drunk.
So let me see your real
I'm not sure it takes 6
Let me see your real swell.
detail that's different. There's a circle on the inside, and we can just draw a little curve right here so you can see half of the circle. All right, we finished Bart Simpson. He turned out awesome. I'm sure your drawings look amazing too. Now I'm gonna put my
Good
shirt
job,
off to
Mike. I
the
really
side,
like
and we
this.
got colored pencils, and we only need 3 colors. Bart's
All right, Micah. Hey guys, just checking in. Today is Friday. Whew. Past couple days, I've just been with my clients, not with them, but taking clients, exercising. What else? Micah's been doing his online school. Right now, it's just me and Micah. Micah's watching his show. He's drinking some hot chocolate. Cassidy's at my mom's house because I have another client coming for 5. Yeah, for 5, maybe 6 actually, 6 o'clock, and then another client coming after. So I have 2 girls tonight. So yeah, honestly, I'm like super hungry. I didn't eat anything from morning. Actually, did I? I just had a muffin. So I'm honestly just gonna warm up. One of these lean cuisines. And actually no, I kind of felt like eating English muffin with peanut butter and jam. I might have both actually because I'm just starving. I need some energy for tonight. But yeah guys, just checking in. I'm wearing my bonnet now because I took out my ponytail, so my hair is just washed and just sitting here. Look at this madness.
My favorite show is on now. Is it okay if I watch it?